Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna be making yard signs using the Cameo cutter 4, just like I did last time, except last time I made car magnets, but this time I'm gonna be making yard signs. And the reason I'm making these videos is to show you that you can make these materials with a small vinyl cutter. You do not need to spend crazy money on a vinyl cutter. And if you are thinking of starting your decal business and you cannot wait, Cameo cutter is definitely recommended. You should check it out. There's a link in the description of the video where you can find out the prices. But before I get into the video, I want to thank you all for your support, and would you please watch this video until the end to help our numbers go up? We'll really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, if you're thinking of starting this business, the first thing you're going to need will be a computer. You will also need a software. We got CorelDRAW X6. And you're gonna need a vinyl cutter. And the one I'm gonna use today is the Cameo 4 cutter. And this one is around $300. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna make a copy of this and move it to the right side. Now what I gotta do, I need to add the registration marks. If you own a Cameo cutter, you already know that you cannot cut over 12 inches, and the red part is going to be it's about 10.5, and the registration marks have to be under 12. And this is how I add the registration marks. I just go to the tool that you can see right here, rectangle tool, click it, and then just make a little square or rectangle here, and then give it color like that. And you can just grab another, make a copy of it. We can go ahead and get the rulers right here so we make sure they're aligned, just like that. And then I'm gonna put it like right on top of the letter G, just like that. Looks good. And now I gotta see how tall the design is, like that. It has to be under 12. And they're 11.2, perfect. And I'm just going to go ahead and make them red. But before I weld them, I can just make all the copies. I highlight them and then copy, and then I can paste, and I'm going to weld them, and then I can grab the letters, all the reds, and this is how you can tell if you grab them all, just like that. Okay, and now you can see the little red squares, rectangles. Now these are going to be part of the green letters, but first I gotta weld all the greens, the forest greens. Okay, they're split right now, so I grabbed that one first, then this one, and then the letters, and just to make sure that we get them all correct. Yep, yeah, we got them all, we selected them all, and then we can go ahead and weld. And we already got the forest green welded. Now it's time to weld the registration marks and combine them, and then we can go ahead and weld them all. And you can see how our registration marks are already in position. I think we got all of our registration marks in place. Perfect. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open another window, and I'm gonna grab this part here first, go to copy, and I already have my other page right here, window, and I can just paste it here. And the reason I have another window open is to convert it to PNG. Again, I'm using CorelDRAW, and I'm gonna make them without any background. I'm gonna make a PNG file. Now I can go ahead and go to File and then Export for Web, and you will see how the PNG file looks like without any background. And I can use this type of images for Silhouette Studio, and I have the free version of Silhouette Studio, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and I'm gonna check the settings. First of all, I don't need no cutting mat because I'm gonna be using a roll. And then the media size, I got it 12 obviously, and then by 34. And here is how you can increase the height of the media. You can keep increasing it. I don't know what the limit is, but I got it at 42, which is too long. I don't really need that to be that long. Okay, and the roll that I have in the machine is a little bit bigger than it should. It's a 15-inch roll, and we'll see. I just didn't want to spend much time cutting it, and I'm gonna send it the way it is. Looks like it's gonna fit. I mean, obviously the cutting area, it's not that big, but we'll see. Yeah, I think it's coming out good. Cleaner than last time. Last time I made magnets and the vinyl was wetting out. It wasn't wetting out correctly, and I messed around with the settings, and I think they did a good job this time. And I'm gonna start from here. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put the tape on top of the vinyl, and I'm gonna use some paper tape to hold it against the cutting mat. I got enough room so I can just, it won't be that hard. Perfect, just like that. Okay, and this is our yard sign. It's 24 by 18, and you can get it from the links in the description of video. Okay, our yard sign is 24, and the red part of the logo, it's only 22. So I know that it's gonna be about an inch from the sides. Okay, I think it's perfect there, and I'm gonna put scissors on top. They're kind of heavy, should hold it in position. And then I can use a big piece of tape on top. Okay, now I can remove the paper thingy, the paper that holds the vinyl, and now I can cover it with rapid tag. I forgot to move the Cameo cutter. Just make sure that I don't spray any over it. Place one side like that first, and then hold this side and get all the rapid tag in this direction here. I'm gonna use a towel, clean some of it, and just keep working on it. Keep squishing all the rapid tag out. Okay, now I'm gonna try and see if the sticker will stay behind. Looks good right now. I'm not gonna risk it. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut it with some scissors. I'm gonna expose the registration marks so I can start working on the green part, and I can just let it dry a little bit. I've noticed that on yard signs, the rapid tag takes a little bit longer to dry, but I'm just talking about like a few minutes longer, not by much. And I'm just gonna let it sit there for a little bit, and I can work on this one. And this is where I forgot to add the registration marks for the part of the tree, but it's okay, we'll make it work. It's not the first time, you know, we always find some challenges along the way. And I'm just gonna align one side first, this one, the right side first. Then I can do the other. Perfect. I can try to remove this part here. And if not, we can always wait. All right. Since I forgot those registration marks, I'm just gonna add some of that rapid tag and just position it where I think it should be. Again, it's not a big deal what happened. I can just get an idea. Okay, it looks good there. Perfect. And now we can get rid of the registration marks from this side here. And this is how I get rid of them. I just use a weeder and I can just pretty much pick one side and peel it off. That's all I gotta do. Just lift one side and just like that. That easy. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Leave us any questions you may have and let us know what type of machine you have. Again, thank you for your support. Give us a like, subscribe, share our videos, and we'll see you until the next video. See you later.